I look in the mirror. I comb my hair. I tie my hair.
Welcome to Learn and Talk. Let's learn Arabic and English in a fun and easy way. Learn, speak, and enjoy every day.
I wake up. I wake up. I get up. I get up. I stretch my body. I stretch my body. I yawn. I yawn. I open my eyes. I open my eyes. I sit on the bed. I sit on the bed. I stand up. I stand up. I walk to the bathroom. I walk to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I use face wash. I use face wash. I rinse my face. I rinse my face. I dry my face. I dry my face. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I tie my hair. I tie my hair. I apply cream. I apply cream.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Learn and Talk for more fun learning videos.